Okay guys, today I'm gonna show us how to replace a faucet shower, a faucet bathroom sink. Alright, take a look. Okay, this is the old faucet, okay? So I already disconnected, but I'm gonna show you, give you an idea how to do it. So that's the faucet. The screw or nut was tied down there, okay? Was tied down there somewhere. You need to shut the water off. Okay. And also disconnect the supply line. And also you need to disconnect the nut from the old faucet. Okay. And from there, there's a rod too. I already disconnected the rod for it. Okay. That's a rod. It was tied to this one right there somewhere. I already disconnected. And from there, you can pull the faucet out. Surface. So we're gonna clean this. This is that's a new one. So this is a new one I'm gonna put in, okay? And from there we're gonna put the new one in and we'll take it from there. I'm gonna take a pause. The new one I'm gonna cut this thing out, open the box, and so what I'm gonna do. Alright, so let me open the box and show us how this thing look like. Got the box. That's instruction.